Morris and his Metamorphis, the story of a cicada's life cycle. Ooh, what is that noise? Sorry, it's noisy hard work for my mates and I to find a girlfriend, you know. Very sorry, it's just early, but now that I'm up, why don't you tell me about yourself? Alright, my name's Morris, and I'm singing the song of love to attract a fancy female. Okay, is that not a bit desperate? Life's short and we've got to get busy so our eggs can be laid and nymphs hatched during these fine summer days. Talk about moving fast. Yeah, short but sweet. But our nymphs will be busy growing for years underground, long after I'm gone. Years underground? Please explain. Alright, so the little fellas, little white things that hatch from the eggs that my missus lays in the bark of our tree. Anyway, there's hundreds of them. They jump down out of the tree and they dig into the dirt below. Dig, 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 where they attach to the roots and then they eat the sap. It's like eat, sleep, grow, repeat. Eat, sleep, grow, repeat. Alright, and how long? About 7 years it took me. Okay, and then you just come back out looking like that? Gosh no. We changed from a little white flea-looking fella to a sort of a fat, hard-shell grasshopper while we're down there. But you don't look like a fat grasshopper now. Why, thank you. No, as if anyone would get a girlfriend or a boyfriend if we didn't morph one more time. Watch and learn, my friend.
And here they change into their adult costume. Now they have the wings they need to search for a partner.
Whoa, that's disgusting. But amazing. Then what happens? Well, I think the old me, that brown shelly part, was taken by a kid who stuck it on his shirt. Weird. But now me and my newly emerged friends sing to all the single ladies to make new little nymphs while the weather's warm and before that magpie tries to eat me up. So if you'll excuse me, thanks Morris and good luck. I'm sure you'll make a great father. Also, your singing is actually not that bad. What an interesting life those cicadas lead. Maybe I'll find one of those shells today and scare my sister with it. See you all. Thanks for listening.